Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Many of us want to game anywhere, even without a traditional Wi-Fi network. Luckily, your phone's mobile hotspot feature can be a real lifesaver for your PlayStation 5. We'll show you exactly how to get your console online using your smartphone, making it easy to play your favorite titles no matter where you are. It's a quick and practical solution for staying connected. Before touching your PS5, grab your phone and head to its settings menu. Look for Personal Hotspot or Mobile Hotspot and switch it on. Pay close attention to the network name, also known as the SSID, and the password that appears. You'll need both of these crucial pieces of information in just a moment, so have them ready. Now power on your PlayStation 5. From the home screen, move up to the top row of icons and find the gear symbol, which is your settings menu. Click on it, then scroll down until you see Network. Inside the network menu, you'll want to select Settings, and then choose the option that says Set up Internet Connection. This is where the magic begins. The PlayStation 5 will now ask how you want to connect. Pick Use Wi-Fi, and then select the Easy Setup method. Your console will automatically scan for all nearby wireless networks. Look for the specific network name that matches your phone's hotspot that you noted down earlier. Once you find it, select it from the list and carefully enter the password you also saved. After entering the password, the PlayStation 5 will confirm your settings and run a quick internet connection test. If everything checks out, you're officially online. Just remember that playing games and downloading updates can use a significant amount of mobile data, so keep an eye on your plan. Now, you're all set to enjoy your favorite games and content, powered by your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.